Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I am Pandu Kresna Mitra Rizky Gunawan from 2A class in English study program in Surya Kencana University Cianjur. And in this video, I would like to talk about Charlie Chaplin's movies The Great Dictator, who was released in 1914. So before that, I would like to give a bit information, a bit biography about Charlie Chaplin. So here we go. Charles Spencer Chaplin, or we know as Charlie Chaplin, was born in England on April 60, 1889. Charlie Chaplin was an English comic actor, comedian, filmmaker, and composer who rose to fame in the era of silent film. Charlie Chaplin has released various works such as The Kid in 1921, Modern Time in 1939, and one of the famous The Great Dictator in 1940. The Great Dictator is a 1914 American political satire comedy film written, directed, produced, and also starring by Charlie Chaplin. The Great Dictator was popular with audiences, becoming Chaplin's most commercially successful film. Modern critics have praised it as a historically significant film, one of the greatest comedy films ever made, and also an important work of satire. In 1997, it was selected by Library of Congress for preservation in the United States National Film Registry as being culturally, historically, or aesthetically significant. The Great Dictator was nominated for 5 Academy Awards. Its outstanding production, Best Actor, Best Writing, Best Supporting Actor for Jack Oakie, and also Best Music or Best Soundtrack. The Great Dictator tells the story of a Jewish barber in the fictional country called Tomania, who after 20 years stint in a hospital due to a war injury, returns to find his community being persecuted by the dictator Heinkel. The barber, initially naive and unaware of the change, becomes involved in the resistance against Heinkel tyranny. He is also entangled with a beautiful girl named Hannah and her community. Like mentioned before, this movie is a satire movie. It's a hilarious political satire, but it also delivers a vitally important message. The film was released at the time when Hitler was at the height of his power, and the main character, Dictator Heinkel, is obviously a reference to him. For me, like its name, this movie is great. This movie have some great nice and fun skin, and I feel enjoyable when I saw this film. All the cast did well, especially for Chaplin itself. And this movie, The Great Dictator, is the first Chaplin's movie which used full dialogue. Previously, he has been try and experiment use soundtrack, music, and also a bit dialogue in previous movie. For example, in the Like City movies and the Modern Times.
I'm sorry, but I don't want to be an emperor. That's not my business. I don't want to rule or conquer anyone. I should like to help everyone if possible. Jew, Gentile, black man, white. We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that. We want to live by each other's happiness, not by each other's misery. We don't want to hate and despise one another. In this world there's room for everyone, and the good earth is rich and can provide for everyone. The way of life can be free and beautiful, but we have lost the way. Greed has poisoned men's souls, has barricaded the world with hate, has goose-stepped us into misery and bloodshed. We have developed speed, but we have shut ourselves in. Machinery that gives abundance has left us in want. Our knowledge has made us cynical, our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much and feel too little. More than machinery, we need humanity. More than cleverness, we need kindness and gentleness. Without these qualities, life will be violent, and all will be lost.
Alright, so that's all from me. Thanks for watching. I recommended this movie to you all. The movie is interesting to watch and has elements such as politics, comedy, and drama. In case I didn't see you, good morning, good evening, and good night.